Hello, it's Strange Sights in the Sky back at you. This is a half moon tonight. Let me zoom out. I thought I was filming a moment ago, 3 minutes in. I missed an airplane, but I'm not here to film airplanes. If they're in the shot, I keep filming. How does a moon look like this if I can see the craters outside my camera, but here it's just kind of like a white yellow color. Oh, look at that. It's like a giant 3-minute egg. Uh-oh, here comes something else. 10 o'clock. Here's the plane I thought I lost. Yeah, that's really weird. It turns like orange. Well, from a distance here outside the camera, it looks like a yellowish orange color. And you might just like the moon like I do, or what we are told. Now, is this the moon? Look at that, in the middle, it just changed. Something weird is going on here, folks. Now, those blurry, the other light, those are the building's windows. But this is the moon. Okay, yeah, I tapped on the light meter. It makes things expand a little, but this is way different than what my eyes are looking at, especially the middle of it. And you see that ring around that center. It's like orange ring. Now look at that. I didn't touch the light meter. The inside core got really bright. Now it changes another color. The moon is getting closer to the building. Will I have enough here before it fades out? Meaning, once it goes west a little more. Look at that. I didn't touch it. I didn't touch the light meter. Look at it change. What's making that happen? I'm definitely not gonna touch the light meter anymore and see how many more times I will change the center of the moon, if this is the moon. Well, my eyes are seeing the moon, but that doesn't look like the moon. And guess what? It's round here. My eyes are seeing a half moon, okay? And here's something else, folks. It's very dark, it's hard to see. It's going in from it's going in the building. And look at this, there's like 2 spheres. Never ever seen this, ever. See that little blur on the bottom right, that's from using my zoom, the light meter. However, I've never seen what's lighting up this. Maybe the street light. But now, Mr. Moon, can you hear me? Can you make your center bright again? And it's like edging into the building ahead of it, meaning, oh, check this out. I can't even see it now with my eyes outside the iPhone, and I'm filming it. So where is it? Does the moon project things? This is definitely ultra bizarre. This is a bizarre movie so far. some punks out here looking for their kicks. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that sphere. There's some weird stuff going on here, folks. Weird, very weird. Let me tap the lightning. Uh-oh, what happened? What happened? Alright. Oh, I think I lost the image. Damn. Let me cross the street and see if I can get it, because it went. Let me get this biker. Yeah, there it is, there it is. I can't stand up in the middle of the street, though. Where is it, where is it, where is it? There it is. It's kind of hard to show. Let me go back this way. Where's the moon? There it is, there it is. What is that? Approaching. Yeah, I think it's a plane. There's the moon. Okay, okay. It's a plane. There's the moon. All right, that's about it. It's lost in those trees, and I can't get the angle across the street. I'd be standing out in the middle of the street. So with that being said, but it did look weird. I've never seen a moon show two spheres before. I don't know what could cause it. Here we go across the street again one last time. Make the video at least 8 minutes. There's the moon. See? I can't go. Now turn kind of green color. Just enough time to make an 8-minute video before this light changes and I get taken out. I can walk across a little more, but see, it's going to get closer and closer. And I've proved that the moon has moved twice to the right side of these buildings, and then it was to the right side of this Devil's Tower there. Looks like Devil's Tower in Wyoming. It was to the left. It was halfway in. Now it's halfway out. Oh, I thought they said the Earth revolves 365 degrees every day around the sun or some bullshit. Well, just in the span of less than 10 minutes, how has the moon moved so much? Here comes another plane. Kind of looks dramatic. You got a very shaky video. Now that's a plane. And they have that little blip that's on the wings. I'll just round it out to the 10-minute mark. Anyway, let me tap on the light meter again. Tap it out again. I'm zoomed in all the way. Oh wow, look at it. Look at it. Look at that, look at that. Okay, the lights under it got blurry, but we don't care about those. We care about the top right light. That is the moon, what I'm seeing. And it's kind of greenish yellow color. You saw it turn orange, kind of a yellow orange, and the center of the moon changed several times. So folks, that's about it. And to order your see you in the next video.